Hello viewers, welcome to Option Trading की दुनिया. In this brand new episode, let me present before you the Nifty and Bank Nifty levels for tomorrow. That is trading day 23rd September 2022. Before I proceed with my presentation, let me tell my viewers that this content is for educational purpose only. If you are using it for trading, take your risk accordingly. Now, firstly, let me go to the charts of Nifty as well as Bank Nifty. So I start with Bank Nifty. Today was a very volatile day. Bank Nifty ended at around 40,637. So it just ended near the support level and it hasn't broken the 40,585 support. So now for the last 2 days, Bank Nifty has been making lower pivots, which is the indication that Bank Nifty is weaker. Now, how do you position your trade for tomorrow? As you look at the SGX Nifty, which is the major indicator right now, it is trading down at around 17,530 levels, which indicates that tomorrow the markets will be gapping down. So keeping the backing down of Nifty and Bank Nifty, I'll present my view right now. So now uh, the important support for the Bank Nifty is at around 40,500 levels. And if tomorrow there is a gap down, uh, there will be a significant down move in Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty can go as low as 40,000 levels and it can even break 40,000 tomorrow. Uh, if there is a major gap down tomorrow, Bank Nifty may open at around 40,000 levels. So that is the Bank Nifty trade for tomorrow. And let me also present the Nifty chart. So I'll erase and put the Nifty chart on the screen. So let me change the symbol. I'll present the Nifty 50 chart. Okay, so now we have the Nifty 50 chart on your screen. As you've seen, even today, the Nifty 50 has made a lower pivot compared to the previous day. The market tried to move closer to pivot today from the lower levels today. If I mark it on the screen, so from the lower levels, market made two attempts, frantic attempts to go above the pivot level. There were attempts. Attempt number one you can see here. Then there was a slide downwards, and exactly it made a second attempt, and even that one did not sustain. And markets closed around the support level, that is around 17,635. Now, as the SGX Nifty is suggesting that tomorrow we'll have 17,530 levels. Now, if you uh, go back the Nifty chart to see the long-term trend, I'll put the hourly chart here. Let me first erase the 5-minute chart and put a hourly chart. You can see on the hourly chart, uh, if the market is gapping down tomorrow, the next support will be around, you can see this is the level. Yeah, this is the level of next support. I'll draw the line here. So around this level, Yeah, is way down. That is around 17,334. So this will be 17,330 levels will be the next support. So be very careful while trading, taking positions tomorrow, because uh, because of the melting down in the currency markets. Today we saw around 80,000, sorry, 80.70 on USD to INR trade, which is almost a multi-year high. We haven't reached and breached 80-30. So now we have breached 80-70. And I think tomorrow US dollar market may open at 81 and beyond that levels, which is not good for our importers. So market will tank tomorrow and we may see lower levels, 17,330 levels. So that is the view on Nifty. So trade cautiously tomorrow morning. We may see a major gap down. So both Bank Nifty may open gap down below 40,000 and below also you may see levels, and Nifty may go to levels of 17,330. So trade cautiously tomorrow. Now let me confirm my views with the open interest indicators. So let me erase this. Let us move to the open interest indicators. And before going to the open interest, let me show you the SGX Nifty trading right now. So you can see SGX Nifty trading right now. I'll indicate it. So here, you can see here SGX Nifty around 17,560 and it hit a low of 17,530. So that will be the levels where market will open tomorrow. Now, at the end, let me come to the Bank Nifty and Nifty open interest positions. So I'll put the open interest positions on the screen now. And firstly, let me concentrate on Nifty. You can see on the put side, the highest open interest buildup is at around on Bank Nifty, sorry, it around 40,600. You can see the longest tower here at around 40,600. That will be the uh, crucial support. And since market is opening gap down way beyond 40,600, 40,500. So next major support will be on the Bank Nifty 40,000 only. Yeah. And below 40,500, hardly any supports. And the major resistance will be at around 40,600. If it breaks 40,700. On the call side, there are resistances, but put writing is hardly any. There is put writing at 40,600 and 40,500. That will be easily taken off tomorrow morning due to the gap down. Now, uh, let me come to the Nifty chart. Yeah, the highest open interest build up on call side is around 18,000. Around 18,000. You can see. Then on the call side, the build up is around 17,600. Yeah, that will be a major resistance tomorrow. Then 17,700, another resistance. But there is a very high buildup of put positions around 17,600, and we know that SGX is trading lower. If US markets trade lower and then we'll have lower levels, then 17,600 put and 17,500 puts will run for cover. So therefore, market will lower around 150, 200 points tomorrow. And hardly any put rating below 17,500, which means if 17,500 breaks, we may have a major fall tomorrow. So therefore, all the indicators from the charts of both Nifty and Bank Nifty, from the open interest positions, it's all indicating a major fall tomorrow morning. And what will be the FII data? Just let me go to the NSE website to find out the FII statistics. Yeah, so FII data, let me get it from the NSE website. You can see FIIs were big sellers today to the tune of 2,500 crores. And even FEIs were also sellers. And DIIs, they were buyers, but meager amount, that is 263 crores. So today was a major sell-off. That sell-off was led by the foreign institutional investors. So that is the Nifty and Bank Nifty view for tomorrow. Tomorrow is all important weekend trade, the last trading day of the week. So be very cautious. Tomorrow there will be a big gap down, and if the uh, pullback does not sustain, in Bank Nifty you may see levels as close as 40,000 and even below that, and on Nifty we may see levels below 17,500. So thank you for watching this episode. This is Nifty and Bank Nifty levels for tomorrow. So if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, comment, like and share. Your one comment or like will motivate me to come up with the more interesting videos on Nifty, Bank Nifty and technical and fundamental tools for trading. Thank you.